When it comes to getting dinner on the table quick, one of my favorite things to do is to saute some fresh fish. I love it because it always looks fancy and tastes great. And the reality is, it takes less time than picking up fast food. So let me show you how to make it. I start by dipping a few catfish fillets in some seasoned flour before dipping them in some buttermilk that I've mixed a few eggs with. From there, I bread them with, get this, some crushed saltine crackers. It gives us lots of crunch. After that, I saute them in a bit of oil until both sides are golden. It's hearty enough to saute, yet its flavor is nice and mild. While these finish up, we'll make a quick lemon butter sauce to spoon over them. Once the fillets flake easily, it's good to go. That's it. From start to finish, it's quicker than driving to pick up fast food. Serve this with some steamed veggies and dinner is done. To get the recipe for what we call lemon-butter fish fillets, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fast and flaky way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.